Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're covering what might be one of the most common length measurement conversions, turning inches into feet. This conversion skill is essential in various everyday applications, such as construction, interior design, or measuring for new furniture. Let's dive into the basics. An inch, typically abbreviated as in, is a unit of length used in the Imperial and United States customary systems. A foot, denoted as ft, is another unit in these systems, where 1 foot consists of 12 inches. The main conversion rule to remember is this: 1 inch equals 1/12 of a foot. To convert inches to feet, you divide the number of inches by 12. For example, if you need to convert 36 inches to feet, you would divide 36 by 12. This results in 3 feet. Let's apply this in a practical situation. Imagine you're measuring a wall for painting and find it to be 48 inches in length. To convert this to feet, divide 48 by 12, which equals 4 feet. And that's all there is to it. Converting inches to feet is straightforward when you recall that 1 inch equals 1/12 of a foot. With some practice, these conversions will become quick and intuitive, making it easier to work with different units of length. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. For more handy conversion guides and math tips, don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.